optical art. Alright guys, this is a super bearish emergency alert video for Bitcoin. Currently we're dropping right now, so I'm going to give you some key support and resistance levels to pay attention to for Bitcoin. We got some hidden bearish divergence, and it looks like the next daily candle could be bearish, so pay attention to that tonight when we get the next daily candle open. This was yesterday's video. Listen to what I said here. I'll put a link up this video now if you want to check it out. And so if we push up, well, currently your resistance right now is 49,353. Out here it's around 49,380. So 49,380, so this white line is going to be resistance, possibly get rejected and come down. You see what happened? Boom, hit it, got rejected right here, right here, right here. We came down. Now we're breaking down below this blue ring. I will give you support and resistance levels on this chart. Let's move on. This is the published version, December 19th. Let me play this. Next level charts, guys, I'm telling you. Boom, look at that. Found support perfectly right there, got rejected right here, and we're coming down currently. Let's move on to this. So this was a little further into the video. I was talking about the H1 chart. Listen to what I said on the H1 chart. So currently your resistance is right here around 49,387. You get a, and I gave you targets above, but that was point to watch, 49,387. And you can see currently we got rejected. Look, bam, 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 down. So now your resistance is right here. 49,280. This line right here is now your resistance. So I will give you support and resistance levels on these charts, guys, but I want to show you this hidden bearish divergence. By the way, this is a published version of that chart. It's December 19th. I'm going to hit play so you can see. Look at that. Came down to support and hit that line as resistance right there where we got rejected. That is where I had that yellow line right here is right here. All right, so let's move on, guys. So here's what I'm going to show you. So if you pay attention to this, this is the K1 chart. If you have access to my charts, load this chart up. You can see currently this is the MACD. I want to point out moving averages here. Notice this blue line right here, the blue moving average. Found resistance, right? And we found resistance right here, right? And then it looks like we're at resistance right now. So it does look like we have a lot of upside, right? So if we do push above this white line here, expect some upside, guys. We could push up to at least. This is your target above. If you watched that last video, I told you we pushed up. Potentially, we get rejected around 51,000 to possibly 53,000. But your first point to watch is around 51,000. But if we get rejected, again, right here, rejected, found support. So if we get rejected here, next daily candle open, if it stays below this and we come down, guys, expect some more downside. All right, I gave you targets. I'll give you some more targets in this video. I just want you to pay attention to that. And remember, guys, your most key support level to pay attention to on this chart right now is down here around 42,800. Let's move on. So hidden bearish divergence, right? So the MACD, right? It works with RSI as well. It's moving up while the price is coming down. I just want to point out this is the G1 chart. I want you to look at the RSI down here. You see the RSI is moving up, all right? It's moving up. Hold on. Moving up. And then you can see the price. The price is coming down, right? That's hidden bearish divergence. Price coming down, MACD going up, again, also works for the RSI. Just want to point that out. So you've got some hidden bearish divergence on the daily, and then we've got this resistance here we need to pay attention to, see if we get above or get rejected. Next daily candle open. This is on the daily, by the way. Okay, so I'm going to give you some price targets to pay attention to, guys. So currently, right now, all right, your resistance to watch on the C1 chart is right here, 48,758. If we push up, your next resistance to watch, again, rejected. So your next resistance to watch is right here, 49,637. And your resistance right above is 48,758. Your support right now is this blue ring. If we break it, this is currently 48,500. So next support to watch, I added this red trend line here. You can see we got resistance and resistance and resistance. So that could be support. So I do want to mention that as well. So if we come down, a support level to watch can be 47,156. And then your strongest support down below will be this white line. This white line that I called support. This is 2 videos back. You should have bought in here right at 45,600. The reason for that is because this is the same line we bottomed on back here. That's why I knew that'd be strong support, and that's why I said to buy in right here and write it up. So if we come down, your next strong support is going to be right here, 46,100 up to potentially 46,233. Let's move on to the C1 chart, guys. The C1 chart. So currently, you see we got rejected at this white line. As I said, strong resistance, guys. So now your resistance right above. You got a lot of resistance, 49,280 up to 49,444. And your support to catch a bounce will be right here around 47,684 to potentially 47,187. And then your next strong support down below is going to be down here around 45,000. There are more support and resistance levels, guys. Get access to the charts if you want those. Remember, guys, Bitcoin follows the markets. Currently, the Dow is down 63 points. Again, if the NASDAQ, S&P, if all the markets start dropping, Bitcoin's going to follow suit. If they start pushing up, Bitcoin will push up. So that's simple, guys. Access these charts, website's optimarkcrypto.com. I have a link pinned in the first comment and description. Guys, that's it. To the next video. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.